guys, it's Kay here, and welcome back to another video. And today, we'll just switch things up. Let's see if this Triangle to Lock challenge has no ads. If it does, we might just go into another episode of the Useless Web like before. So, let's go. Let's see, let's have a look at this Try Not to Laugh challenge. See, this one's good. That's not even it, but oh god, what's this? Do you see that thing? Okay, that's stupid. Oh. He tripped his. That's so funny. That would hurt so bad. Second thought, let's not do this. This is the screen recorder I'm using. It's called Screencast-Matic. Very easy to record with. Comes with the face cam. Comes with the whole screen recorder and stuff. But since we're okay, just move you guys down there for a second. We need to go into my channel. This is my channel, by the way. So, 14 hours ago, I posted this. In other words, last night, if you guys are in Australia. So, the Useless Web, my first video on this channel. It's the first one I uploaded. And then, I went, and 4 hours ago, it was actually at 5 or 6 o'clock that I uploaded this video right here. And that's the Useless Web 2. So why not just keep going on with that series and go on the Useless Web again. I paused. This is really weird, but okay, we'll come up here again. Comment down below, do you like my face cam up here? Down here? Here? Or like here? Up here? Or where I just had it. For now, leaving it up here until you guys comment on my last video or this video. So yeah, just go search up the Useless Web, then click the Useless Web. I feel like I do that every time. But let's go. So, what is the first website you will take us to? Stanger? What's this? Oh my god, it's a pug! The pug, it looks like the pug's licking my computer screen. Oh my god. So cute. You can't do this to me. Oh my god. That's awesome. I'm sorry. I've got to close you. Please like. Do you know what? Because you said for the website's called Please Like. I ain't gonna like it, son. Let's go on a different one. Let's go. Okay, another one that I saw that was really cool was this. This one's awesome. So far, we haven't actually had any, even though we've only done 2, we haven't actually had any from our last videos. There must be a lot of these really stupid websites. Wait. The end of the internet. I'm pretty sure this is a website. Yeah. You have reached the end of the internet. Congratulations. You have finally reached the end of the internet. suggestions to do when you've reached the end. So let's just read this whole thing. So the website, just search up the end of the internet, comes up with the website, click on it, and then comes up with this. Congratulations, you have finally reached the end of the internet. There's nothing more to see. No more links to visit. You've done it all. This is the last very page on the very last server, the very far end of the internet. You should now turn off your computer and go do something useful with your life. No. Please don't forget to turn off the lights on your way out. No. It's downloading the internet. That's so funny. That's like an old MacBook. That's like a, it says that it can't recover the internet for me. Okay, well, suggestions. Read a book. Do some public service. Personally interact with your neighbors that you've probably met online. Plant a tree. Introduce yourself to those other people who live in your house. In other words, your family. In order to save time, we will start downloading the internet to your local drive. Okay, it says that it can't get the end of my internet. So, let's just click out of that. Let's go on to the next website. 10. It didn't even let me. I was planning on playing Minecraft, but it wouldn't let me overlap my face cam. I'm so sad. But, yeah, that works so much better. This is a better face cam. It's not really my face still. I've got to be like right up here for you to see my face like this. But now you can see from here, and my something, good vibes or something, no idea. Chocolate on my shirt from my M&M chocolate earlier. But today I will actually be uploading 2 videos, sorry. Actually probably a lot more videos today. I'm probably going to upload like 6 videos, maybe? Okay, well, let's just get back to this. So, wait, I need to do that again. So today, I'll be uploading like, maybe, 6 or 7, 5, 6 or 7 videos, 6, 5 or 7, yeah, somewhere around that. But for now, just keep watching. Let's get back to the website that we're on. Okay, guys, we're back. I like doing that. It's just fun. But yeah, as you can see, we back. This is my knee, by the way. I like my knee. So, this website is called 10 cents info. What happens if I click on this 10 cents? If I drag into a new tab, what would happen? What if I drag this into a new tab? What would happen? Absolutely nothing. That's a very dumb website. Oh, dumb. We've only got like 3 minutes until I've got to end the video. Well, 3 or 5 minutes. So, okay, I've got a better idea. Show me something. Show me something weird or confusing. So the website, you search up show me something weird or confusing, or you can just search up weird and confusing. Sell me weird. What's this? Sell me weird? I haven't actually seen this. Sell me something weird or strange. I've seen this one. It all just goes to Amazon, and that's just a coffee thing. but we didn't actually want to do that. Going to just click weird or confusing. Sell me something weird or confusing, please. A few days ago, we got a yodeling pickle. We got 2018 Pooping Pooches Dog Calendar, White Elephant Gag Gift. Why is it always a white elephant or a gag gift thing? Or something. Pooping Pooches. Oh, like the dog. Okay, let's go on to something else weird or confusing. Please. What do you got in store for us today, mister? Okay, just gotta be honest, that looks like Jake Paul's hair. But it says flare hair with visor or something? Brown hair, mossy oak camo. There's even different versions of it. By the way, these are my knees again. There's even different versions of it. Stupid. Oh, we've got about 2 minutes left till my time's up, because on this screen recorder that I've got right now, this one, you can only record for 15 minutes. We've been recording for 11 minutes and 42 seconds. So right now we should have 3 more minutes, but I kind of want to end it at like 12, 13 or 14 minutes, so I've got enough time to go like, please smash the like button and talk about all that stuff. And yeah, because you've got to get the pro recorder. You've got to get the pro recorder to go for as long as you want. You can go as long as you want, as long as you get the pro recorder. So yeah. Yeah, I've already got the recorder open, that's what I'm doing. So we've got about 2 minutes. We've got time to do about 1 more. Or 2 more, sorry. Well, 3. 2 or 3. It would be really quick though. So, oh, I've seen these glasses. So they've got mirrors up the top that reflect down. So if you look straight like this, you're actually looking down because the mirrors are like on a diagonal angle and they reflect your sight, and it shows downwards. So if you're too lazy and your neck gets hurt when you're sitting down trying to read a book, then this is probably for you. So you can just stand up like this, open your eyes, and you're actually just looking down at your book like that. It's pretty cool. So I've got about time for 1 or 2 more. So head games. So pretty much the aim of this is to throw balls at someone's head and try and get it to land on the Velcro. Stupid. Let's go do it. Last one for this video. Let's go. Dancing with cats. It's like Dancing with the Stars, but that one's stupid. So we've got one more, quick. One more, quick, really quick. Goats in Trees. That's a nice book. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, punch! Well, in other words, smash that like button in the face. A pretty please. And, as always, stay Gucci. See you guys. Bye!